Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
We are here in Zeebrugge almost, and we have found some bunkers for you. I have made a drone flight. My wife is going to try to get in there, but it's very muddy and very dangerous. If she can't get in there, you will have to do the drone flight. If she can get in here, then you will see also the inside. So see you later. Thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. Okay. can see people, these are the bunkers. gonna try to zoom in to the one in the back. It's very muddy, so we cannot get there. I have the drone flight for you, and also my wife went in one of it, so it's also a very nice farm area here.
First bloopers. Here we go. Ja. Ja, ja. Hier. Ah. Kisari. En dat is weer voor mij, hè? Ja, ik moet dat weer doen, hè? Ah. I will have a look on the floor for holes or something else. I could break my feet. Oh my god. Help. Oh, this is really spooky. Woo! Jesus. Oh, help. Hartje. Oh, I don't have enough light. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Ah, this is really, really spooky in here. I have to press the button 3 times and then I have light. That's it. So, whoa.
Hey people, as you see, she has been in there. It worked finally, so that's great. Yeah, well, like the video, thumbs up, and also subscribe, because it's very important for us that you follow us. So see you later. Bye bye.